best, Miss Jolé St.John. Jolé has done Bishop's High School proud. Aside from winning the title of Junior Secretary of Tourism in July, Jolé last week competed at the regional competition in Barbados and was able to cop the title of Junior Minister of Tourism for the region. Let's give Jolé a happy round. Jolé prepared herself. Content was important to her because at the end of the day, she wanted to make sure that for the 2 minutes that she had to present on her destination, which is Tobago, that anybody in that audience who walked away not knowing at the start what Tobago was and what we were capable of, walked away knowing how beautiful this 116 square miles is. We have envisioned a new program. So Jolé now has 3 titles. She is Junior Secretary of Tourism for Tobago. She is Junior Minister of Tourism for the region. And now, because of the successes we have had, we are starting a Junior Ambassadors program. And I'm pleased to announce that Jolé will be our first Junior Ambassador for Tourism for Tobago.